Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Phil Grande, philsgang.com. Please do me a favor during this program, hit subscribe, like, and share. Also, while you subscribe for my YouTube channel, why don't you sign up for my philsgang.com, 10 days free. Learn how to invest properly, how to handle stocks, especially in the market right now that's so volatile, okay? All right, let's talk about what happened today. They closed the bond market. So when they close the bond market, screws everything up. So we'll know tomorrow really what today is going to really look like. Today meant nothing because the bond market, I have no idea why they keep the stock market open. The bond market is closed. Now you can trade TLT. We watch this all the time to identify where the bond market's going, okay? She broke a key point right here. All right, but they left. I mean, you could trade this, but the bond market was closed all day, so we really don't know the effect today had on the overall market. But I can tell you this, we'll know tomorrow morning. Here's what I want you to do, okay? Remember, the market is in real trouble because of the headwinds economically, okay? We got too much debt, 31 trillion debt. Debt's growing 36% faster than our GDP. And we got a lot of, just a lot of problems. Right now, what I'm focusing on is that this market, I think will make a snap back. Let me show you what I mean by that. I think we're going to go from that 2008 low right over here. I think we're going to go up. This would be the trend line right here. We're going to go right into here. Okay, it's setting up beautiful for that because again, all right, here this was our short right here. Another short we did back here. You see how this is setting up beautiful for this. This should come right down to this trend line right here. Don't believe a word they're saying. This market's in deep trouble. The one big thing that's happening is the bond market is going against the stock market. The other thing you got going against the stock market is the 200-day moving average. The 200-day moving average has to be underneath the stocks to support them. 70% of the stocks have to be above the green line, the 200-day moving average. That's why it has such a strong rally. The reason why the rally is not a good rally, it's pretty bad, is because it's the opposite. It's on top of it. That means it's putting a lot of downward pressure. There's no place for this market to go but down because there's no hope of QE. There's no hope of stock buybacks. It's over. Okay, the interest rates are going to get worse. The only thing they're keeping this market open right now is the elections, and every day they're going in and buying options. Who's they? The plunger team, to keep this market somewhere near that 2017 low. And I would say for the next couple of days, do what we're doing. We are taking oil, and we did some shorting on oil here today, Oxy. Okay, we made a nice short right here. See that? Hope it breaks through that 50-day moving average, setting up nice for a swing trade for just 2 or 3 days, okay? Nice swing trade. To invest it, to break down through here, okay, we need a little bit more. We just got to drop down to this line here. But right now, I like it as a 2 or 3 day swing trade. See, you're going to learn how to do swing trades, and you're going to learn how to do long-term investing with these two charts. If you join my gang free for 10 days, we'll explain that to you. So the market has so much going against it. Listen to me. Just go to my YouTube channel every day. I'll do the best I can to give you an update what's going on. Today the bond market was useless to us. Tomorrow we get the bond market. We got the earnings are going to be not good at all. They're going to take the banks are the first ones to report. They're going to rig those. They're going to take money from their set aside for bad loans and put it to the bottom line and make the bottom line look better than ever. And then they're going to turn around and say they beat their estimates by a penny. Everybody's going to get excited. The S&P is going to go up. They're going to tell you, the fake business news network, buying a dip, buying a dip, buying a dip, and you're going to get screwed again. Okay? There is no way that this market is going to not go a lot lower, believe me. So right now, I would say be very careful. If you're not a member, okay, just remember, as long as this chart looks like this right here, the trend is in place. You're not going to be able to break this trend. I don't care what you do. This trend is solid. The only way this trend could stop if they went back to QE, and I don't even think it would stop then, okay? I don't think it would stop then. Now, don't tell anybody. I think we're going to come down to this area right here, but what I really think, I think we're going to come all the way down to this area right here. We got a lot of money to be made in this market. The headwinds, there's no more QE. The QE is up. Rates are going to continue to go much higher. Gold is going to start doing very, very well pretty soon. As soon as the dollar collapses, we got to wait for the dollar, and it will collapse pretty soon. The reason why the dollar keeps going up right now, okay, is because everybody in Europe is panicking. They're dumping their euros. They're buying gold for safety. But let me tell you, gold is going to go through the roof here as soon as this dollar collapses. So today's market was a little bit on the edge because we couldn't figure out what the bond market was going to do because it's closed. Tomorrow morning, the bond market opens. We're going to have a better understanding of which direction. Now, we know which direction it's going to go. It's going to stay in this trend, keep going lower, but we don't know if it's going to stay here or go all the way down to here. So join my gang. Get in on the shorts with us. Learn how to do it properly. And so, again, if you're one of these people in 401ks, you just got crushed. You lost about 15, 20%, okay? You should never lost that kind of money, never, okay? That's stupid. You should never lost that money because they don't allow you to short, all right? Here, you're going to learn how to make money when the market goes down. You'll make more money with the market going down than it goes up. That's the way it works. Okay, so there's the trend. We're here to help you. Keep checking out our YouTube channel every day. And by the way, do sign up for philsgang.com for 10 days so you at least get an idea how to sell short and how to buy stocks, how to recognize good stocks. And right now we're watching, we made a lot of money in oil stocks. We think they're going to take a little breather. We did pretty well in Oxy. We're going to keep checking more of those stocks, oil stocks. We think those will go a little bit lower so we can make some money there. There's a lot of opportunity in this market, believe me, on the way down. Hey, see you on the charts.